Withdrawing money from an ATM is a straightforward and convenient process, allowing access to cash without needing to visit a bank teller. To begin, make sure you have your debit or ATM card along with your PIN, which is needed to authorize the transaction. Locate an ATM, preferably one associated with your bank to avoid additional fees, and insert your card into the designated slot. Once your card is inserted, the machine will prompt you to enter your PIN. Type it carefully to ensure security. After entering the PIN, you'll see a range of options on the screen, including withdraw or cash withdrawal. Select this option to proceed. Next, choose the account from which you want to withdraw funds, often labeled as checking or savings. Then, enter the amount you wish to withdraw. ATMs typically offer preset amounts as well as an option to enter a custom amount. Confirm the withdrawal amount and the ATM will process the transaction. After a brief moment, the machine will dispense the requested cash. Be sure to collect your cash promptly, as well as any printed receipt for your records. The ATM will also prompt you to retrieve your card, and it's important to take it immediately to avoid leaving it behind. Once you have your card, cash, and receipt, make sure to store everything securely before leaving the ATM area. Withdrawing cash from an ATM is quick and accessible, making it an essential banking tool.